Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gorn Guitar. I came across this cool song here from Josiah and the Bonnevilles, Kentucky Flood here. So cool guitar playing, cool voice with this vibrating singing there. We love that. So yes, let's take a look at this one. We have basically two different parts here, verse and the chorus playing. So we're gonna come to that soon. But first we have the capo set here on the second fret. If you watch the music video, you will see that his guitar has his capo on third fret, I believe, but this is with standard tuning. So standard tuning gives us a second fret and the same chords as his playing, which are the best chords, okay? So let's go over the chords. We'll start with the G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Have E minor next, so that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the A minor, that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the next chord, which is a D basically, but with an A in the bass, and it holds like this. So that is fifth on E, that's the A note there, then fifth on D, fifth on E, fifth on A, fourth on D, open G, third B, and open E. Alright, so that's the A, D chord. Then we have the C, G chord. We take the same grip here and move it 2 frets away from here to this position here. So that will be third on E, that's the G notes. So that's the reason for the C, G chord, that name there. So third on E, third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. So that is the C, G chord. Then we have the D, F, okay? So, sounds like this. Second on E, and then I usually mute the next string, which is the A, with the finger I'm using there on the second E, the index. So it gets muted like that, and then open D, second G, third B, and open E. So that's the D, F chord. And then finally we have the B minor. Alright, so that's a bar chord. You place the bar on the second fret. And you bar all strings except for the last E here in the bass, of 5 strings from bottom up, and then you need to add fourth on D, fourth on G, and third on B. Alright, so there we have all the chords. Now let's learn the strumming pattern. G will be the first chord, so grab that one. One string around will be down, 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 up, down, up. So like this. So down, 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 up, down, up. And I would like to play the first 2 downs here on the bass strings, and then the down, up, a little bit lower down here, mid, top notes, okay? So down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. All right. So this is a great strumming pattern that works here for this song. Sometimes you go by feel and doesn't play exactly like this, but this is the rhythm here in the background, and you can play a little with it, but this will work and be like a backbone for this song here. So stay with that strumming pattern. Down, 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 up, down, up. All right, so let's take a look at the 2 parts here. First, the verse. So you're gonna play G, 2 string rounds, E minor, 2 string rounds, A minor 2, and then you go up to the A, D and play 2 as well. All right, so that's how you're gonna play, and it sounds like this. Right, so that's the A, D chord. So again. right? So you play that for the verse, and then comes the chorus. This chorus is about 4 different rows, so to speak. I would like to think in rows because they're pretty similar, but not really anyway. So let's take a look at the first row or chord part of chord progression, if you will like to call it like that. Anyway, it goes CG, 1 string around, then the G, 1, then the D, F, 1, and E minor 1. That's the starts. So CG, then G, D, F, and E minor. The next row or line will be CG1, G1, and the AD2. The third row will be in the same way as the first one, so CG1, G1, DF1, and the E minor 1. So and the fourth row or line will be CG1, then AD1, and G2. There you have the chorus. So just to summarize this big chorus part here: CG1, G1, DF1, and E minor 1. Then CG1, G1, AD2, CG1, G1, DF1, E minor 1 in the same way as you started. And then you had the final CG1, AD1, and G2. All right. You're gonna play like that, and then about 2 minutes and 12 seconds into the song comes the instrumental part. I believe it's after the second chorus. And that one goes with the same string pattern: A minor 2, B minor 2, CG2, and AD2. Sounds like this. And then you come back to the chorus. And there you have all the parts to play and handle Josiah and the Bonnevilles Kentucky Flood. It's a great guitar song there, so give it a try. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please support me here on Goring Guitar in any way. I really love that and get motivation to continue here with this channel. So thank you for the support, guys. Until next time, play tuned.